Hello, you're welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to claim 10,000 Innovs token and also 10,000 IPA tokens. But before then, if you are new to my channel, kindly click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Also click the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload content like this. What I do is that I teach people how to earn free cryptocurrency and how to make money online, and also teach people life hack. So if you are interested in that, click the subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. So guys, let's dive right into the business of today. So we head over to the Innovs platform. We head over there. This is it. It's loading. So I'll drop the link on the description box below, so check the link. So guys, you click on the link and it will open you to an interface. Yes, this is the interface. This is their home page. It will bring you to an interface like this. So it says register to have your own free token. The distribution of the token will be given to everyone after registration. The amount is 10,000 Innovs and 10,000 IPA coins, which will decrease by half each week. We encourage everyone to share the opportunity to have 4% of each token as referral reward. 40%. So this is it, guys. This is what it's saying: submission of the lock liquidity pool for revenue shares. So this is it. This is all about the token. So you just click the S button and you click on this three dotted line right here. You click um um click when you click on it, you see somewhere here it says in. You click on it. When you click on in, it will take you to where you need to register. Yes, it will take you to where you need to register. When you register, it will take you to where you need to register. I know. Yes, you register your information and also try to verify your email. Yes, when you register, you verify your email as well. Then it will give you your 10,000 Innovs token. This is my right here. You can see 10,000 Innovs token and also your 10,000 IPA token. So this is it, guys. So go register. I'll drop the link on the description box below. Register and get yours now. So thank you, guys. See you in our next video. Goodbye.